Afternoon, guys. Hello, Fitty. Where's your mice? Where's your mice? Yeah, Fitty's still here. The van, we put a little box here at the back, and yeah, this is how it looks now. And this box is very hard and fast there. It's very hard fast. Baie hard fast daar, yeah. It must be very strong, and it is. So yeah, and if you open the little cassie, you will see some weird things there. If you open the little cassie, you will see some pretty things. There we go. That's the way you do it. Fitting a nice 12 liter per minute gas geyser. And yeah, I obviously had to make some changes. I put the battery thingy here right in front, otherwise you're gonna circle, and I don't like circling. Here you can just set the temperature. And yeah, guys, I can be honest, it was not a walk in the park, but it's in, and I think it looks really great. And when you're on the road, you just close it. You actually never have to open it. You can lock it there. You actually never have to open it. And all this plumbing is going to move here with some flexi connectors, so that we can also open the door still, and the flexis are just going to come from here right to there. And yeah, obviously I need to just put that cover back on, and yeah, that's it. But I think it's certainly very nice. The geyser is not 100% fast, but I just need to put two little fasteners at the bottom, and yeah, there we go. Thank you, Zero.